Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are finding domains and expressions for arithmetic combinations of two linear functions. We are given f of x equals 4x plus 9, and g of x equals 7 minus 5x. Key concept: domains of linear function combinations. Both f and g are linear functions, they are polynomials of degree 1. Linear functions are defined for all real numbers. There are no square roots, no fractions with variables, no logarithms. Nothing can make a linear function undefined. So the domain of f, g, and all their combinations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and squaring is all real numbers. The only exception is division. When we divide, we must exclude any x value. That makes the denominator equal to 0. Part A: find the domain of each. Domain of f, all real numbers. F of x equals 4x plus 9 is a linear function. Domain of g, all real numbers. G of x equals 7 minus 5x is a linear function. Domain of f plus g, all real numbers. Adding two linear functions gives a linear function. Domain of f minus g, all real numbers. Subtracting two linear functions gives a linear function. Domain of f times g, all real numbers. Multiplying two linear functions gives a quadratic, still defined everywhere. Domain of f times f, all real numbers. Same reasoning as f times g. Domain of f divided by g, we must exclude x values where g of x equals 0. Set 7 minus 5x equal to 0. Subtract 7, negative 5x equals negative 7. Divide by negative 5x equals 7/5. Domain of f over g, all real numbers except x equals 7/5. Domain of g divided by f, we must exclude x values where f of x equals 0. Set 4x plus 9 equal to 0. Subtract 9, 4x equals negative 9. Divide by 4x equals negative 9/4. Domain of g over f, all real numbers except x equals negative 9/4. Part B: find each expression. F plus g of x. Combine f of x plus g of x. 4x plus 9 plus 7 minus 5x. Combine like terms, 4x minus 5x equals negative x, 9 plus 7 equals 16. F plus g of x equals negative x plus 16. F minus g of x. Combine f of x minus g of x. 4x plus 9 minus the quantity 7 minus 5x. Distribute the negative, 4x plus 9 minus 7 plus 5x. Combine like terms, 4x plus 5x equals 9x. 9 minus 7 equals 2. F minus g of x equals 9x plus 2. F times g of x. Multiply f of x times g of x. Quantity 4x plus 9 times quantity 7 minus 5x. Use FOIL, 4x times 7 equals 28x. 4x times negative 5x equals negative 20x squared. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times negative 5x equals negative 45x. Combine negative 20x squared plus 28x minus 45x plus 63. F times g of x equals negative 20x squared minus 17x plus 63. F times f of x. Multiply f of x times f of x. Quantity 4x plus 9 times quantity 4x plus 9. This is 4x plus 9 squared. Use FOIL, 4x times 4x equals 16x squared. 4x times 9 equals 36x. 9 times 4x equals 36x. 9 times 9 equals 81. Combine 16x squared plus 72x plus 81. F times f of x equals 16x squared plus 72x plus 81. F divided by g of x. F of x divided by g of x equals the fraction, 4x plus 9, over 7 minus 5x. Domain, all real numbers except x equals 7/5. G divided by f of x. G of x divided by f of x equals the fraction, 7 minus 5x, over 4x plus 9. Domain, all real numbers except x equals negative 9/4. Recap. Both f and g are linear, domain is all real numbers for all non-division combinations. f plus g equals negative x plus 16. F minus g equals 9x plus 2. F times g equals negative 20x squared minus 17x plus 63. F times f equals 16x squared plus 72x plus 81. F over g equals 4x plus 9 over 7 minus 5x. Domain excludes x equals 7/5. G over f equals 7 minus 5x over 4x plus 9. Domain excludes x equals negative 9/4. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.